3 years ago, AI video looked like a blurry mess, and now it looks like this. So what happens when Kling 3.0 finally drops? This week, we are all bracing ourselves for the coming soon launch of Kling 3.0. And if you have been anywhere on the AI side of the internet, you know the hype is reaching a breaking point. In this video, I am going to walk you through everything we know so far, what we as creators are actually hoping to see, and why Kling 3.0 might just be the single biggest leap forward in the history of AI video generation. Up until now, the biggest hurdle for all of us has been trying to create AI videos that don't fall apart or deform the second a character moves. We've all seen the weird melting hands or the flickering backgrounds that ruin a perfect shot. But with Kling 3.0, things are looking much more promising. Let's start with the confirmed details. According to the official Kling AI blog, this new version is introducing a groundbreaking feature called multi-shot director mode. This is a game changer because it allows the AI to generate several different shots within a single video file. It actually understands cinematography. We're talking about wide shots, close-ups, specific camera angles, and the general language of film. This means Kling 3.0 isn't just pumping out disconnected 5-second clips anymore, it's actually generating cohesive scenes. One of the most requested features in the history of this technology is character consistency, and Kling is tackling that head-on. The update will allow you to use multiple reference images, or even reference videos, to make sure your character stays the same throughout different shots. It preserves the specific traits of the person, the objects in the scene, and the overall environment. On top of that, they are integrating native audio. What really caught my attention is that this update includes support for more languages while maintaining a totally natural lip sync for your characters. It's also fixing a huge headache from previous models: text rendering. Kling 3.0 is designed to generate legible, clear letters on signs or within the scene itself. This results in less distorted text and makes the output much more viable for commercial projects and professional advertisements. If that wasn't enough, the official blog also mentions a feature where you can record a short 3 to 8 second clip of your main character and upload it so the model can extract the core character traits and voice. This allows the AI to preserve their appearance and entire likeness with incredible precision. It really feels like we're moving into a new era of digital storytelling. To put it simply, Kling 3.0 is becoming capable of understanding complex prompts, keeping the audio and video in perfect sync, and maintaining your character's look across different settings. It is more than just a bump in resolution. It's a dedicated storytelling tool that prioritizes consistent characters, real dialogue, and director-level control. That is why the developers are calling it an all-in-one model for everyone. Now, let's talk about what the creator community is actually hoping for. I found a really interesting post from Higgsfield, which has quickly become one of the fastest-growing companies in the generative AI space. They are always on top of the latest releases because their entire platform is built to be creator-friendly and accessible. Their analysis is based on public updates, typical launch patterns, and what the community is buzzing about right now. It is worth noting that all the currently available Kling models, like Kling 01, Kling 2.6, and the motion control features, are already live and usable on Higgsfield. You can try them out for yourself using the link I've put in the description. And by the way, Higgsfield already opened an early access page for Kling 3.0, so if you want to stay in the loop, that's where to go. One thing I am personally desperate to see is native 4K video generation. Right now, most Kling models top out at 1080p. Moving to native 4K would be a massive win for anyone creating realistic AI influencers, high-end commercials, or professional video productions for faceless YouTube channels. It's probably the most anticipated technical upgrade on the list. There are also strong rumors about a feature called regional inpainting. This would allow us to modify specific areas of a video without having to regenerate the entire thing from scratch. We've all been there. You get a nearly perfect shot, but there's one tiny glitch or an extra limb. Right now, you have to roll the dice and generate a whole new clip, which usually looks completely different. Being able to just paint over and fix one specific part would save us so much time and money. Another huge improvement we're looking for involves physics and character interaction. Even though AI has come a long way, it still struggles with hands or what happens when two characters touch. We often see visual artifacts or weird ghosting effects during close interactions. Seeing a real fix for this in Kling 3.0 would be a massive step toward photorealism. And of course, we have to talk about duration. If we could generate 30 to 60-second clips that actually hold together, it would change the way we approach narrative content. Longer durations mean more complete stories and less time spent stitching tiny fragments together in an editor. The reason we care so much about these updates is that Kling is already known for being affordable while maintaining high quality. This update represents a push toward professional-grade AI video creation. Having longer generations and consistent narratives across scenes makes this relevant for everyone from solo creators and small studios to marketing teams that need high-quality results on a tight budget. Plus, think about the impact of faster iteration. Being able to produce content more quickly means we can test ideas and pivot faster than ever before. It's clear that Kling 3.0 is being built to support the demands of real-world production, not just to be a cool tech demo. Of course, none of this is officially confirmed yet. This is based on public signals and community expectations. This brings us to why Kling 3.0 could be the next big leap for the entire industry. I recently saw a headline from Bloomberg that said, "Chinese AI videos used to look fake. Now they look like money." That is a bold claim, but it's absolutely true. We are seeing that AI video isn't just a visual gimmick anymore. It's a legitimate business. More and more people are making real money using AI-generated videos and hyper-realistic digital influencers, and a huge portion of them are using Kling. This explains the massive growth in their user base. Interestingly, this isn't just happening in one part of the world. More than 25% of Kling's revenue is now coming directly from the United States. If you've used these tools before, you've probably realized that we are entering an era where seeing is no longer believing. Sometimes you really can't tell at first glance if a clip is real or generated by AI. If you don't believe me, just look at some of the AI influencers I've covered in my other videos. Even massive global brands are starting to use this technology for their ad campaigns. You've probably seen the Coca-Cola commercials created with AI. When a company that big starts using these tools, you know the tech has moved beyond the hobbyist phase and into mainstream marketing. According to reports, AI video is becoming a real industry. Kling is growing, people are paying for subscriptions, and US brands are diving in headfirst. Kling 3.0 isn't launching into a toy market, it's launching into a professional production ecosystem. To give you a quick look at what's possible right now, look at these images on your screen. These are all AI-generated characters. I'm going to pick this one here, hit the animate button, and it takes me right to the generator menu. You can see the latest Kling models listed right there. For this demo, I'll use Kling 2.6, turn the audio on, and drop in my prompt. For just 20 credits, this is the level of quality you get.
If you think this is amazing, just wait until you see what Kling 3.0 is going to make possible.
I did the exact same thing with this image of Will Smith, animating it with the newest model, and the results are honestly wild. This is exactly why Kling 3.0 matters so much. The next version isn't just going to look a little bit better, it's likely the update that fundamentally changes how we as creators make video. It's about moving from cool clips to actual filmmaking. I've left links to all the resources and tools I mentioned in the description, and I really encourage you to go try out Higgsfield for yourself. I've put the monthly and annual plans on the screen so you can stay updated with all these new features as they roll out. A big thanks to the team at Higgsfield for making this video possible, and a huge thank you to all of you for watching and supporting the channel. Stay tuned for the launch, have an incredible day, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.